Usumbut mitang ba kajala beripe ke tenat penoisor ba sne walang khal laong ba ya kajing airong ya ke Surok Khmat ke main Secretariat Shillong lale kat komi kendon ya ke Indian Road Congress. Haba juba bi kajing kali ba ra do MLA ke molai mentak sengi hapo ing ba tau ai ba bastawel malbanjang usumbut mitang ba laong ba kane ya kane kam lale tenat penoisor hapo kajing pe lang ba tenat peludi ba laong do kadai kajing persyang ban pe la kalong kemno bat lada ka biang on sele hagiwe ru kijaka bak sini balang waong bakarong kadai ban long kembali bat ke bastem kat kum kendon babu dekat Indian Road Congress haba penrap lakan ni mutrang ba kajela konrat kesang ma waong ba ikan ni ale si benta jong ke Shillong Urban Mobility Policy kajing airong ikate ke sebenta Khmat Secretariat kalong ban pensuk ya kalai kawan ki Briew berkali bat kasukal klasim jingkai lu man kasngi ya kali bayang hakal yang jaka ban tip halo kajing penkra jong ka ban pembai ya kajing na kajing sakut kali ya kanong ba.
A. Yes, sir. B. Yes, sir. The interventions are as per IRC 86-2018, Geometric Design Standard for Urban Roads and Street. C. Yes, sir. D. Yes, sir.
Sir.
Honorable Speaker, sir, at the very outset, I would like to express my surprise that the Honorable Minister in charge Urban Affairs is replying to my question instead of the Honorable Minister in charge PWD, where any projects on roads are being taken up. However, be that as it may, as far as I know, the main Secretariat Road is a national highway. Please correct me if I am wrong. Therefore, my question is, whether NOC has been obtained from the state PWD National Highway or the Ministry of Road Transport and Highways, Government of India, before undertaking the painting and reducing the road width.
Mr. Speaker, sir, actually this project is implemented by Urban Affairs Department under the supervision of the district level committee headed by ADC and include other committees members such as the SP Traffics, COSMB, Joint Chemicals and Plannings, and Urban Department, and Superintending Engineer UAD, and also the Executive Engineer to the Central Division, Executive Engineer SMB, and consultant from the General Urban Space. Obviously, PUD is a part of this project. It was just a trial. It was just a trial. This in and around Secretariat building.
I think the Honorable Minister didn't get the question which I asked with regards to whether NOC has been obtained from the State PWD National Highway or the Ministry of Road Transport and National Highways before undertaking the painting and reducing the road width.
Mr. Speaker, sir, actually this is also a part with the PUDs together in the committee. I think must be they have taken it. Because PUD is also as engineer of the Central Division is a part of this project in the committee as a member.
I don't know whether we can just assume, but okay, I'll come to the next. Sir, with regards to the Honorable Minister's reply for B, I would like to know whether the different painted colors like yellow, white, green, purple, orange, extra are permissible, and if so, what criteria have to be complied with, since it is quite confusing.
Mr. Speaker, as per road marking, as per IRC 35 standard, the color used always normally is white and yellow, but as per this tactical urbanizations guidebook is different color can be used.
Okay, where the Home Police Traffic Department agreed to the project, and number 3, what was the budget provision for the project either in the Urban Affairs Department or PWD, and what was the estimated cost?
Mr. Speaker, sir, this project is first a trial project from the Urban Affairs. It was just a trial. It was not mean that if the project is success. So actually we mean this by painting is to increase the share of the non-motorized transport in the city road and also to reduce the congestion in the city and develop Shillong as a pedestrian-friendly city. It means to streamline the pedestrians and the traffic flow for the safety. So actually as of now there is no specific sanction because done by the department, just a trial. Even expenditure is 0 till date. So even for the report, we can lead on the house when everything is ready.